What if I gave an AI a photo of a cat and instead of saying cat, it replied 7.4? Clearly, something went wrong. That's because AI solves two very different kinds of problems: classification and regression. In this video, you'll finally understand when AI chooses a category and when it predicts a number, and you'll never confuse them again. Both are supervised learning problems, but they answer completely different questions. Classification asks, which category does this belong to? The answer always comes from a fixed list: spam or not spam, cat or dog, fraud or genuine. Regression asks, what's the actual value? Instead of choosing a label, it predicts a continuous number, like a house price, today's temperature, or tomorrow's sales. Categories versus quantities. That's the first big difference. Here's where the magic happens. A classification model learns a decision boundary. Think of it as invisible borders separating different classes. Every new point simply falls on one side of the boundary. Regression works differently. It learns the best fit line or curve, then estimates the value along that trend. Predictions aren't simply right or wrong, they can be a little off. That's why classification is measured using metrics like accuracy, while regression focuses on prediction error. Here's an easy rule: if your answer comes from a fixed set of options, use classification. Email spam detection, image recognition, disease diagnosis, they are all about selecting the correct label. But if your answer can be any number, choose regression. Predicting house prices, estimating someone's age, forecasting product demand, these all require numerical predictions. Ask yourself one question: am I choosing a label or estimating a value? Let's make this unforgettable. Imagine doing laundry. Classification is like sorting clothes into baskets labeled whites, colors, and delicates. Every shirt goes into exactly one basket. Regression is like checking a thermometer. There's no bucket to choose from. You simply read the temperature and it could be 18.5 degree, 24.2 degree, or 31.8 degree. One organizes things into groups, the other measures how much. Once you see this analogy, it's hard to mix them up again. Let's wrap it up. Classification predicts categories, regression predicts continuous numbers. They may both learn from labeled data, but they solve completely different kinds of problems. If this explanation finally made the difference click, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning machine learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.